This video series is brought to you by Katz Home Inspection School and Sea Green Home Inspection Group, a New York State ELAP radon laboratory. Welcome back to our video series on radon. In this video, we will be sharing information about the physics of radon. Radon is an element that is part of the chain of elements created during the natural radioactive decay of uranium. Uranium is found in the soil naturally at varying levels all over the U.S. High radon levels have been found in every state. As radium that is trapped in the soil decays into radon, it becomes a gas and is released into the air. This gas then decays 5 times over the next 4 days, approximately. Each of these events results in the release of radon decay particles that can then be inhaled into the lungs and continue to release radioactive particles into the body. Alpha particles, beta particles, and gamma radiation are released at various points through this process. Alpha particles in particular are the real risk, as they travel at a low speed and are relatively large. They can rupture cell walls and potentially cause damage to the DNA contained in that cell, causing the cell to reproduce irregularly or mutate, also known as cancerous. The portion of the chain of decay particles that we are dealing with here are in particular short-lived, and this is why long-term exposure to levels above 4 picoliters is considered dangerous. Being exposed to one means that you are exposed to all of them. If you inhale a particle of radon-222, it takes less than 1 hour for that to break all the way down into lead-210, exposing you to all of the radon decay particles released along the way. While not every alpha particle emitted will cause cancer, the more chances you take, the higher the likelihood of cancer as an outcome. Radon in air is measured in terms of picocuries per liter. A curie is the amount of radiation generated from 1 gram of radium. 1 picocurie is 1/1,000,000th of a curie. 1 picocurie per liter of air equals 2.2 disintegrations per minute per liter of air. The picocurie per liter is not a measurement of physical radon concentration, but rather the activity or rate of energy released within a given volume of air. Different radon measurement devices calculate the rate of energy in different ways, but the end result is always the same. A radon measurement is a representation of the amount of exposure to radioactive decay progeny over time. The EPA has determined that long-term exposure over 4 picocuries per liter is a health risk, and actions to reduce exposure should be taken. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.